It was a rear end collision. The other party was at fault. Not right then and there, but the day after I did feel everything. It wasn't horrible, physical, external. It was more internal, like the herniations and all that. Well, it was very a little scary, a little traumatic. It wasn't as worse as other accidents, but it was still, I had to go through my own process of getting everything in order. I was actually very lucky to know somebody that recommended Brooks Law Group, and they highly recommended y'all, very professional and always kept me updated on everything. It's been wonderful, it's been great. Jasmine kept me updated through everything. She was very professional. I really like Jasmine. Yes, they kept me informed, let me know how long the process would be, what to expect. And like it might be a lengthy process, but it was actually very fast for me. Yes, of course. Everything was perfect.